chilling.
Hey guys, Breakfast Sonny here, back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this feature kind of style drop. So the final result will sound like this. So in this video we're gonna make a drop with drum loops, basses, leads, effects, and a build. So first we're gonna make a bass line. All the drum loop, bass and leads are coming from Dirty Tech Frame 1. So if you're not preset pack, make sure to check the link down below. You will find all the sounds you need to make this kind of music. So we're gonna select the bass from Dirty Tech Frame 1. We're gonna go for the cowgirl, sounding like this. Then we're gonna make a melody with it. So let's switch it up a little bit. So that sounds quite groovy, so shape the preset a little bit more. Give some more sustain. And right to the sidechain we have on the first mixer channel. And that's it for bassline, so we're gonna make an 8-bar drop. Just like this. So now it's time to add the drums. So go for the drum loop from the pack. Let's go for the first one, sounding like this. So that already sounds quite groovy. So now it's time to make the leads. So now we're gonna make leads. So we're gonna add a new serum. And select the lead from the pack. So let's go for the dollar lead. Sounding like this, with a little attack envelope at the beginning. So we're gonna go for a sustain note. One octave too high, I think. So let's go for this one. Bass is clipping a little bit, so we're gonna lower down the volume. Both elements. Then create an automation clip of the volume of the lead, because we're gonna add some automations at the second part of the lead, just to make it a bit more interesting. Something like this sounds quite cool. So then we're gonna make a second part of the lead. So we're gonna add another serum. And go for a different lead preset. This one sounds quite cool, so we're gonna use that. Just some small lasers. Just create a quick rhythm with it. And that's it for leads. So now we're gonna make the fills. So I just made these drum fills. This one. This clap fill. These snare fills. And that fill. So let's dive into it. You just have these snares playing left and right. And then this bigger one. The last one has quite a lot of reverb to it. And some delay. You have the second clap fill. With a bunch of claps together. But at the end, a delay automation to really let it fade out. You have this small fill with a bigger snare and a smaller one. And the last fill is where it's a combination again of those two snares. So besides that, we low cutted the drum loops at the fills, sounding like this. So right now we have this. So as you can hear, the drum fills make the drop more interesting. So now it's time to create a build up. So there we have our build up. So first we have a crowd effect, then a crash effect, then downlifter, a riser, and then we have the drum loop and bass. So altogether the build up sounds like this. We have the low cut automation and the smile automation, just to build more power. And that's it for the build. So the only thing that we were missing is the pre-drop vocals, so I just took one from Cashmere's pack. Sounding like this. Then I just pitched it down 3 octaves and I added it in with a fill. Sounding like this. So there we have the drop ready, so altogether the final result sounds like this. And that's it for the video, so if you like the video, please leave a like, see more, and the subscribe button, and I see you all in the next videos.